Mommy has the camera. Say
Hi,
hi to her.
Connor.
Wave to Mommy. Hello.
Hi, baby.
It's Snowball. What do we do with it?
Oh,
Throw it real far.
good boy.
Here. Very good. You gotta pick it up first. Yeah. What do you think of the snow? Oh, try to walk in it. Walk.
Come here. Oh my.
Oh.
For Dad.
The snowball's back.
Oh, you splashed your face. Oh, put your hand in your eye. He tried to wipe his face.
There. Up you go. You go see Mom.
Come here, Connor. Come on. Can you come here?
He's doing pretty good.
What do you think, buddy?
You can do it! Come on! We're not gonna leave you behind! You must make it!
Are you all done?
Alright.
Alright, goodbye, camera. All done.